I recently designed minimal iOS icons for myself, and today I wanted to quickly walk you through how to set up custom icons, whether purchased or you created them yourself on your iOS device. This is the most time-consuming aspect of having custom icons, so make sure that you're ready to apply some grit and sheer determination. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you downloaded the icons correctly, whether it's to your photo album or to your file folder. Either one will work. Next, you're going to want to go to Shortcuts. In this case, I'm typing in to get to Shortcuts, and you're going to click on the plus button at the top. Then open App, then tap on App, and select the app that you want to replace the icon for. So in this case, I am going to look for CoStar and replace the icon for CoStar. Once this is up, I want to click on this top area and rename it. You don't have to rename your app if you don't want to. You could always leave it blank, but I find it easier to identify apps when everything looks streamlined and cohesive when I add a label. Then we're going to add an icon and select the icon that we want to use to replace the original icon. And there we have it. We've created a shortcut for CoStar that's been added to our homepage. You'll need to repeat this process for however many icons you want to do, so 100 times, 200 times, whatever that might be. Or you can also create menu items, which basically group all of the apps into one generic icon. So to do that, we go back to Shortcuts, click Done to get out of this view, and hit plus again at the top. Then we're going to click Add Action, then Scripting, and then click Choose from Menu. And then here we are going to label the different items that we want onto our menu. So in this example, maybe we want a bunch of tickets all together. So we might put Ticketmaster, Fandango, and any other sort of tickets or arenas that sell tickets that you may have here. The next section is we want to go down to where it says scripting at the bottom and slide that up and click on Open App. Do that again and move that to right underneath the line items that we've created and select the app that we have for each of those. So for Ticketmaster, we want it to open Ticketmaster, and for Fandango, we want it to open Fandango. And we do that for as many line items as we have, then come back to the top, and just like we did before, rename it, give it a label, and then also add an icon as we did before. So go back to that top section and add an icon. And so in this case, we are going to go to our photos and click our generic ticket icon, and then add that to our home screen. So now when we click on Tickets example, we can see the menu items that we created. And there you have it. I guess now the real work begins if you are still wanting to do this. With that said, good luck if you are about to re-update your entire home screen with new icons. And if you found this video helpful, you can always support me for free by liking, commenting, or subscribing to this channel. Thanks for tuning in.